Good morning from the National STEM Learning Centre in York, and welcome to day one of STEM Clubs Week 2023. I'm Rachel Jackson and I work for STEM Learning, and I'm going to provide an overview of what's happening this week. STEM Clubs Week is a festival of extracurricular STEM engagement that everyone can get involved with, whether in school, with your family and friends, or through your work. Each year, we explore a topic that expands knowledge and understanding of STEM, develops skill sets and widens perceptions. Our focus this year is AI, the world and you, where we'll discover how artificial intelligence and machine learning impacts on our daily lives, asking what it means to us, how it will impact our future, the ethics involved, and also what its limitations may be, helping us to better understand the benefits and the issues of AI. Each day has a separate theme, allowing us to provide an overview of the many key aspects of AI and machine learning. Today's theme is Demystifying AI, where we'll look at our understanding of AI, seek to challenge our perceptions and explore the ethics involved. We're really excited by today's events, starting with Will Smith from the University of York, who is going to demystify AI for us, whether we're aged 10 or 100. Will's followed by our live debate, which has an amazing panel of experts and is chaired by Will himself. He's joined by colleagues Florian Bloch, Helena de Fern, Carla Evans, Martin Kaz and Nick Pearce. Between them, they cover everything from the metaverse to ethics, including human-machine collaboration, face recognition, to AI music generation and digital creativity. The panel will be answering a challenging set of questions put forward by schools from across the UK. Our third item of the day is from Jen Chubb, from the Department of Sociology at the University of York. Jen will dive into the ethics of AI, asking, do we need them? Are they important? And so much more. Our final event comes from Farah Egby from Exscientia, who investigates the difference between a pigeon and AI and opens a whole new outlook for pigeons and your favourite ice cream. Tuesday's theme is AI and us, which will look at the day-to-day use of the AI that surrounds us. Wednesday explores the use of AI and machine learning in health and medicine. Thursday investigates the use of AI in entertainment, such as gaming, music and movies. Friday brings us AI and transport, looking at its many uses on our roads with vehicles and aircraft. It also brings our AI and the world and you to a close. We challenge you throughout the week to hold your own debates and in-depth discussions about AI. Consider how much you really know. Challenge your own perceptions and those of the people around you. Is AI a good thing? Do the positives outweigh the potential risks? Are there any risks? Let us know how you get on and post your comments, photos and videos to Twitter, copying in STEM Clubs and STEM Clubs Week.
Hello everyone, my name is Paul Thornton. I am the Network Education Lead here at STEM Learning, where we have a wealth of opportunities for schools and students to explore both curricular and non-curricular STEM engagement. So I'm going to take a couple of minutes to talk to you, the teachers, about our wonderful offer that we have around computing, computer science and digital skills. STEM Learning is the contract holder for the National Centre for Computing Education, and we have a vision that every child in every school in England should have a world-leading computing education. And we offer a comprehensive package of support. Our professional development offer includes many courses right across the key stages that can be delivered remotely, self-paced online through intensive residentials at the National STEM Centre or face-to-face through a network of 30+ local computing hubs, which are led by schools and colleges across England who have an excellence in teaching computing. The professional development can lead to different levels of certification. A secondary teacher can work towards a subject knowledge certificate and then towards a full secondary certificate. And a primary teacher can work towards the primary certificate. And all certificates are awarded by BCS, the Chartered Institute of IT. And while we're on the subject of recognition, schools can work towards excellence using our Computing Quality Framework, which is intended to help schools review their progress in developing an exemplary computing curriculum. The framework takes schools through each aspect of computing, helping them to access the NCCE's wide range of resources for progress. When a school has progressed to a suitable level in each dimension, it is awarded the Computing Quality Mark. And if you are looking for quality assured, fully funded resources, then we've got you. The Teach Computing curriculum has everything that you need to teach computing from Key Stages 1 right through to Key Stages 4, including lesson plans, slides, activity sheets, homework, and assessments, which are all editable because they've got an open government license. Isaac Computer Science is a free teacher and student GCSE and A-level computer science platform. Teachers can select and set self-marking questions, pinpoint areas for improvement students may have, and manage students' progress, which is a real time saver and which would massively reduce a teacher's workload. We also offer other layers of school level support. For instance, if you're a non-GCSE school, you could be eligible for up to 3 days support from our subject matter experts who will support you through a designated action plan to put everything in place to be able to offer GCSE in the coming years. And we also offer subsidies to support you while you are doing that. If you are interested in a different type of professional learning that can support you and other schools progress in areas of improvement, then you need to be aware of our computing clusters. This is where 3 to 6 schools will receive targeted support over a 12-month period, which would include coaching and mentoring, a collaborative facilitated work group, bespoke intervention and support, and CPD implementation support. And finally, if equity and diversity in computing is as important to you as it is to us at STEM Learning, then you may want to get involved in our I Belong programme, where we will all work together on a joint mission of improving gender balance in computing and in the STEM world. All of this information is available at our website, teachcomputing.org, or if you want any more information on anything I have said, please get in touch using the email info@teachcomputing.org. Thank you for your time and have a great day.